We're going to take this cool down to work on our flexibility and finish our workout feeling strong and rested. Come to a seated hurdler position with your left leg extended in front and your right leg bent at the knee. Internally rotate your right leg so that your right shin is touching the ground. Bring your thumbs to your right hip flexors, massaging into the front of the hip. Give your hip flexors a little love. Find that sweet spot. Now reach forward as you pull your belly button back to your spine, feeling a slight tug on your hamstring, and then return to a tall seated position and rotate towards the right. Keep going with this dynamic movement. As you reach forward, keep your spine nice and long. Inhale to reach forward, exhale to rotate. Nice. Now slide your left heel in, centering your chest with your lower leg. Feel the stretch in your left glutes. Keep your ankles flexed here to protect your knees. And if you have knee pain, just back off for today and just breathe in a seated position. Take some full deep breaths here. Let's even things out on the left side, starting with our hurdle stretch massage. Extend your right leg out while internally rotating your left leg in. Use your thumbs to bring relief to your left hip flexors. Take this time to get to know your body. Find those tight spots and give them some love. Now for our hamstring stretch, reach forward as you pull your belly button back to your spine. Then return back to a tall seated position and rotate towards the right. Remember not to round the spine here. Keep your chest open as you go forward. Awesome. And finally, our glutes. Now slide that right heel in, centering your chest with your lower leg. Leaning forward will deepen the stretch. This is our last move, so take it where you need to go. For this final stretch of our cool down, take the time to settle into your breath. In for 2 and out for 3. You did so good today. Give thanks to yourself for moving through such an awesome workout. I'll see you next time.